Oshun you are. From the sweetness of creation, I bring you forth. Where there will be pain, you will bring healing. Where there will be division, you will bring harmony. Where hearts grow cold, you will remind them of love.
I am Oshun, goddess of love. Oshun's presence does not force change. It invites it. You carry life. Do not forget your worth. You carry life. Do not forget your worth. Even the animals knew her spirit. She radiated peace. Love does not leave. It transforms. Pride builds walls. Love builds bridges. The river carried her wisdom into every heart. There came a season when earth forgot the rain.
My children thirst, and the earth cries with them.
To reach heaven, Oshun became beauty itself.
Love will travel where beauty cannot survive.
Great source of life, I have come for your children below. The rivers are empty.
The land is cracked. The people thirst, and they are dying.
I beg you, let rain return to earth. Praise Oshun. The goddess has returned. The rain is finally here.
Where hearts are wounded, I heal them. Where dryness lives, I bring sweetness. Where sorrow rests, I awaken joy. She is not only beauty. She is divine affection given form. Where Oshun walks, love follows. Where she smiles, life flourishes. Let love flow like water, without end, without fear, without limit. I am Oshun, the mother of creation.